Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make a cheesy main course, that is cheese butter masala. So let's get started. Ingredients required are tomatoes, ghee, almonds, cashews, cheese, coriander leaves, sugar, kasturi methi, turmeric powder, garam masala, kitchen king masala, red chili powder and salt. Take 2 tablespoons ghee. Once it melts, we are going to add 1 tablespoon kasturi methi. In that, we will add few cashew pieces, around 10 to 11 cashew pieces and around 15 almond pieces. In that, we will add 3 deseeded tomatoes. And now we will saute this mixture for 10 minutes. Then we will add 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half tablespoon kitchen king masala, half tablespoon sugar and salt to taste. Saute it for another 2 minutes. Now allow it to cool down and then we will mix it. Once the mixture has cooled down, we are just going to blend it. We will add some water if required. Right now I have added around 1/4 cup of water. I have added 1 glass of water. Now we will move on to the next step. Once our gravy is made, we are going to add cheese cubes, which I have cut it into small pieces, and in that we will add coriander leaves. Just cook it for another 5 minutes so that the cheese softens a little. I have cooked it for 5 minutes. You all can see the cheese has softened up and this is ready. Our cheese butter masala is ready. You all can serve it with Punjabi roti. Check out the recipe by clicking the I button and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.